my channel, please subscribe to it. I do beauty related videos. Also, you can hit that bell button right over here so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now in today's video, I'm going to do this super easy glam makeup tutorial for the daily wears. Now I know in lockdown or in these COVID-19 restrictions, people are not going out that much, but still there are people who are going out and they need to look presentable. Like me, I do not have work from home. I never had work from home, so I need to look good. I do not do this much every day, of course, but some of the times when you have some special occasion, even you can do it when you're going out, like on wedding or some sort of family function, when you are dressing up, or even on your date. So it is quite glam and but subtle, like subtle glam, if you can make this sense. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Also, if you have a complaint about that I am sounding a little low, that is because I am keeping my volume of voice low because my roommate is sleeping just beside me, so I do not want to disturb her. So yeah, just bear with me, because वैसे भी मेकअप में आपको देखना है कि कैसे हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट्स सब मेंशन होंगे ही तो देख लेना. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we will start, and before that I'll be using my Lakmé Peach Mini Soft Cream. Although I have already moisturized my face, but still for that extra hydration I'm taking a little more, not much, like this much only, because as I said, I have applied that before also. So my thing is very simple. Take some in your hands and dot, like you need to distribute your stuff evenly. Yeah. Oh, neck के लिए बचा नहीं, but it's fine. As now my skin looks a bit more plumped and light, so we'll be adding some foundation to it. Now I'll be using my Lakmé CC cream, but if you want to exchange this with your foundation, whatever it is, your daily foundation or some sort of foundation, you can use that, but I will use my Lakmé CC cream. I think on daily basis this just do the job very nice. It gives you a very medium coverage and some skincare too, although I don't believe in having skincare and makeup, but still, and it has SPF too. So when the days I'm not using SPF separately, which is the most of the times, I use this one. So for my daily thing, this is the best. So I'm taking a little thing, like just a bit, not much, and then this is my regular thing. You need to warm up your product so that it gets blends to your skin very nicely. After this, the same process, dot it on your skin, distribute it evenly, and then blend it. Also, there is the best part with this cream is you need to take a little bit first, because it is a little thick cream but does the job very well. The quantity distribution is very nice. You take a little and just very nice. Firstly, I will thread it with my fingers first. And now I will use my brush for that purpose. I'm using my flat top brush. Yeah. So now everything is blended. You can see that. I know you will say you are already already looking a little ready. That's because of my lipstick. I was carrying lipstick without makeup in my room, but that is also because of some reason. And before starting this video, I did not just take off because I thought it would be nice to have lipstick on when I'm doing makeup. I will change the color once the video is complete. And yeah, people who have really dark circles or some pimple marks, I do have, but I'm okay with it. Like on daily makeup it's fine for me, but if you do have a very fine, you can say the standout pimple marks or the very dark circles on your eyes, then you can use your favorite concealer and things that work for you. But for me it's enough, the base is enough. I will be directly going for the contour thing because I have double chin, I have flabby chubby cheeks, so yeah, for that purpose I'll be using this and by Runway contour stick. This is in the shade 14 chestnut, and we'll be doing my thing, and I have shown this before also. The procedure is same, everything is same, so I'll be going like that. You know what, if you do not have chubby cheeks, just skip this step. You really doesn't need it because I'll be going with bronzer on top of it, and you can directly use the bronzer to your face. So I have taken my contour blending brush. This is like this, a little slant is over here. I'll be using this. So you can see it gives a really nice lift to my face. थोड़ा सा कम चबी लगेगा मेरा face, but yeah, this is how it is. Next we are going to powder our face, and for that I'm sorry, and for that I'll be using my Glam Pose HD banana powder. Now when I saw that it is a banana powder, I was like, no, I am not going to buy it. But once I saw the results, it is super fine, really nicely milled, and it does not give you that white cast you get with your banana powder, because it is supposed to have a whitening effect, you can say the highlighting effect. But this one is really nice. It makes your skin look nice but not white. So yeah, because I am a brown girl, so I do not like to have much difference with my face to my arms. I have tanning on it, so yeah, but otherwise this is a really nice powder, and it actually kya karta hai? It actually controls your oil secretion. So I'll be using this. I'll be taking some powder. You can see a little fallout that I always do, and I'm going to apply this. This just instantly takes your extra shine away, and I really like that. And this is a really nice product. Once you use it, you know it. Now next, I am not a fan of applying blush every day. I do like blushes on my really good glam days, like when I am doing full-on makeup, but on daily days I don't like blush. But for this video, the sake of this video, I will use the blush, but other than that I use my bronzers religiously, especially if I'm going out. So right now I am currently using this Sugar Contour D-Force mini bronzer in the shade Top Topper number 1. This is how it looks. इतना lightweight है ना ये, ऐसा लगता है मतलब कार्डबोर्ड पे कुछ डाला हुआ है बैग में. This just does not have bag, and that is actually really nice because this makes the product cheap too, like the affordable thing. And this is how the shade looks like. I'm gonna use this for my bronzer thing, and this is really light. Like you can apply too much of it and still it is like, okay, it is giving you that bronzer thing, but you don't dig muddy. So yeah, I'll be using this, taking some like this, a good amount, because as I said, दिखने में थोड़ा टाइम लगाता है. And I'm quite happy with this layer of bronzer. I'm not going for the second layer. Next, before doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna next, before doing my eyes, I'll be doing my eyebrows. And today I'll be using my new purchase. This is from Faces. This is from Faces Canada, Ultime Pro Eyebrow Defining Pencil in the shade brown, I believe. I feel tan number 1. The shade is tan number 1. So this has product at the side, and at the second end you get the spoolie. So it is a 2-in-1 product, easy to carry. It is actually, I bought it for my bag so that it will be every time in my bag. I'll be doing my eyebrows with this one today. Firstly, I'll go with my spoolie. I think this is really good for daily eye look. As you can see, it has given a really nice natural look. I will be completing the second eyebrow the same way. Alright, our eyebrows are also done. We'll be moving to our next thing, and that is the eyes. And today, for this simple glam look that is good for your mask too, I'll be using 2 eyeliners because we will be creating eyeliner look with some brown kajal. That's the main thing here. So firstly, I'll use my sugar gel eyeliner to create the wing, just to give a nice sketch to my eyes. So as you can see, I have just drawn the liner outlining, and now I am going to fill it, this one, with my another liner. This is the Lakmé Insta liner, so it is quite nice to put in really close to your lash line so that there are no spaces, you can see. Now once it is drying, I'll be using my brown kajal, and this is from Lakmé Iconic range. It is a really nice daily kajal. I will not say for special occasions because it is not that long lasting. You need to retouch up after 4 to 5 hours. So for daily days, it is a really nice kajal. Do not tuck your eyes, and yeah, it's comfortable on eyes. So I'll be using this one on my waterline and going a little thick with my kajal. See the difference? I'll be completing my second eye the same day. So finally we are left with some good mascara, a lipstick and a blush. Now until this liner is drying up, I'm going for my lipstick. And for lipstick today, I want to go a little nude with color with nude. I'll just figure it out. So yeah, firstly I'm going with this darling Isabella liquid lipstick. Now this is a warning for you, this is a really drying lipstick, so if you have really dry chapped lips, then use some other brand's lipstick, not this one. The color is really pretty, but not the formula, it's really drying. But because I'm just doing the video, I'm applying this. But if you're doing this, just find this color in some other brand. And because we are wearing the mask, use a liquid lipstick only. This is the number 18, not 81. I know right now this is looking really weird. I kind of wash out, like I'm looking washed out, but we're going to be fixing it. Once it is dry, I'm going to use this lip liner. This is from Hilary Rhoda in the shade brown. It's a really pretty brown shade. So this is going to cover up the thing I'm having, and after that we'll be left with some mascara and blush, and we are done. I'll be using this My Glam Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. This is a really nice mascara, by the way. It is expensive, but it works. With my lip liner, this is, excuse me, the only thing left is the blush, and for blush I'm using my very used Sfr Color Face 5-in-1 Mineral blush. I don't know about the mineral thing, but I use it like that. And I'll be taking my blush brush, taking some dusting off, and I'm gonna apply. You can see the blush gives you the difference, and it is real. Now, many of you must have think that I never use highlighter on my face. That is because I'm not so much fond of applying highlighter, especially if I'm not going in a very. And I do have oily skin, so my skin anyway gets the oil, and I'm like a highlighting ball in my face. So yeah, I do not use that separately, but if you want, you can use it on your cheeks, in your like your high eyebrows and all. You can do that. But mine here, I complete my daily glam makeup look. This look you can carry on your mask, in your office, in your important any kind of occasion, even in your some kind of function also. I think this looks really nice. And here you can see the timing is not so bad, like you can do it in some amount of time. Makeup takes time, but